Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Inspired by Dreams. Today I will share with you an amazing product review. Friends, I made this video with great dedication, so please I request you please watch the full video. And friends, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And friends, do subscribe my channel Inspired by Dreams. And also subscribe my sister's channel Keep Simple Live Better. This is my featured channel Keep Simple Live Better. Thank you so much. So let's start the video. Funlavie. This is an amazing drawing set of 3 art set. Stationery set, birthday, Christmas gift. In this amazing package, you will get 112 pages coloring book, 8 colored pencils, 1 animal sticker, 1 face stamp and 1 sharpener. So you can see here I have an amazing animal stickers. All the animals are so cute and this is the color book. We don't think coloring books are enough to foster creativity. Blank paper is infinitely better. So we design our coloring book with both coloring page and blank page, which is not only for coloring but drawing, sketching, painting. So you can see here we have 112 pages coloring book, 8 colored pencils. Look at this. This looks so beautiful. 8 colored pencils. Attention please. Contain small parts not for people under 3 years. Animal stickers are not reusable. Please cap the face stamp after using it. Features and details. Premium quality. High grade wood and soft lead that is smooth and blends easily. The art kit includes other art items that can be used in drawing and painting to enhance creativity. Environmentally friendly and non-toxic. Enjoying your family time with our art set, you will see a wonderful world. Christmas birthday gifts. Shrink-wrapped gift box is delicate and portable, easy to carry and store as well for outdoor or travel activity. In the box, 112 pages coloring book, 8 colored pencils and 1 animal sticker, 1 face stamp, 1 sharpener. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe my channel Inspired by Dreams and also subscribe my featured channel Keep Simple Live Better. That is my sister's channel. Please also subscribe Keep Simple Live Better. Thank you so much.